this is what I'm on today. This window has to come out. We've got to tooth it down and cut and put French doors in here, so I don't know how in line these are, down, up and down here, as you can see. I think the brickwork runs slightly out of bond as it comes underneath the window, so I either still saw it down with a cutter, Husqvarna cutter, Nikita cutter. I've got either. So take the window out, cut them down, make it good, cut the blockwork out, and then the brickwork over here underneath this here will go over onto this one. And I've got to take this door out, this window out, and brick across here. Somebody's made a cut down here and haven't done a very good job. Same there. That's the problem with using a cutter, but I'll try and tooth it out and brick it in with these bricks from over here. This is the inside. A silly little door really. So this window's all coming out and we're blocking across. Same here with the window. This is all coming out, and that's what I'm going to be on at the moment. And so what I'll do, I'll come back to you shortly when I'm taking this window out. I'll probably put a laser level up and see how the bricks are falling in line, and then make a decision there. Right, okay, catch you in a minute in the plan. Right, I've got the knife, I've cut down the side here. What I'm trying to do is expose where the screws are, so we can cut them out with a cutter, and then I'll do the same on the other side, and I'll probably take the glass out as well, which is on the inside, and that'll make it much lighter, and I can find the screws in there as well and take them out. I think that'll be safer to take the glass out because of the weight of the window. So I'll bash on, carry on. Right, got the window out. There we go, just cut them sides down like that there. Got them out. Put my laser up, and it's pretty much level down. You can see it. You see the laser? There we go. Running pretty level. So I'll mark that up, cut them out, and I'll do the same here. Cut them out. That's all come out. Now, something I wanted to show you when we chop out this using the cutter coming down is this business here, as you can see there. So that's why I'm going to take them out and rebuild it back in, because that will always be a mess. The same there, and this is what tends to happen when people chop out. They have to do this. See that? And fill it down. And it looks horrible. And the same here. It just kind of looks a real bodge and mess. So I want the bricks looking like that, not like that. Okay. So again, that's out. I'll tidy up, tooth them out, tooth this side out, get ready to build it in and bring the windows and the doors in. Get that done another day, but for now get it all set up. I'll leave these blocks in for security and just put a board over that tonight. My job is to get this prepped up, built up, and then fixed in. Okay, catch you in a minute. Do this all around them. I've already cut them with the grinder, and then we'll just gently knock them out. Possibly then we can turn around, I don't know, and I'll come back in a minute and show you chopping them out. I'll carry on. What I'm going to do is just chisel these out gently. I'm not going to use the breaker because it can be so vicious and break these bricks here, which you don't really want happening, but it does happen a lot because it grips. So that's why I've done the drilling round. So I'm going to go try and take them out carefully. So here we go. Always start at the bottom. Right, there we go, we've toothed out, and toothed out there. Some broke back, but that's not a problem. We've got plenty of bricks to work with. And the bottom one, as we're taking that one out, broke that one there, so, but we're all okay. So I'm going to get this built up. The problem is we're in December now, December the 14th, 15th today, and it's just the light's just gone. This is only just gone, it's just 2 o'clock. So there we go. I'm gonna make preparations on this one now, board this over, come back, brick this up tomorrow, get this bricked in so it's going off, and then the door can go in. I'm going to leave that in there. See what I've done there. I've just stitch drilled it down, save the dust. The blockwork will just smack out when I'm ready. Okay, I'll carry on, build it up. Slight drop there.
Okay, packing it in nice and tight using your tuck pointer, push in the cement, and that will make it nice and tight, ready for it going off.
Okay, so you see what I'm doing, just building it in, put my level up here, it's level up there, down. Okay, so I'll carry on because of the filming, it'll take forever, and the light's going. Okay. I spent all morning dressing these down, getting all the old riching off, so I'm a bit short. Maybe as I come further up I have to go to the salvage yard to see if I can match them up. About 1972, a good old brick. Probably the guys who built these houses I was an apprentice to. Right, I'm going to come back to you later when I've got it up, and then hopefully on the Monday we'll get the patio door in and the window in. So give it a chance over the weekend for this brickwork to set here as well. So I'll bash on. I've got a back door here so I can get around. Have a brew now. It's brew time, but I'll catch you Monday when I'm putting these in. It's all gone off nicely, and so I'm busy putting the window in at the moment, and I'm happy how it's going. I think the brickwork's gone off nice, and the window's looking good. So I've just fixed fittings in, cut my window to shape, and just putting this one in now. So it's all gone off nicely, as you can see, and putting the screw into the big bricks. I'll put them into the big brick down here, and I'm happy I didn't still saw it out or cut it with a cutter. It's been bricked in, so I'll crack on. Right, it's all chopped out and I'm ready to go now with the French doors to go in. I'm just going to get my grandson to give me a lift because it's so heavy. Okay, so that's the next job. I'm going to get that stuck in now. All in. It's all ready now to be decorated, plastered and finished inside. Okay.